Primetime news this evening. Breaking the silence. Mother of young woman suspected of committing suicide shares her story. From mental illness to mental wellness, President of Psychiatric Association urges Jamaicans to look out for the signs. And later, advocates decry environmental data block.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Janella. The latest producer price index from Statin shows mixed results across two major industries, and we continue our coverage of the JPEX conference in Montego Bay. Those and more later on in the business day.
Thanks, Lug. And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Archie. Well, Team Jamaica Bickle is continuing its mission to equip schools across Jamaica with defibrillators. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Okay.
That's when you go. Clear.
I was wondering what was okay. I love it. All right, so Romain isn't here, but he will be here later with the weather report and forecast in this newscast. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime. But Archie, before the break, the feedback question.
So this evening we're asking, how do you protect your mental health? Really important question. Again, how do you protect your mental health?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.